Shalom Aleichem, welcome to Assyrian Dishes. I'm Julian and today we'll be making Kahi, which is layered phyllo pastry eaten for breakfast. So let's start baking. These are the two ingredients you will need for the Kahi recipe. You will need 1 cup of melted butter and 454 grams of phyllo pastry. And this is how your Kahi should look like. Serve it with some gamet and some sugar syrup, and you can find those recipes on my website at assyriandishes.com and enjoy. Remember to subscribe to my channel, like, comment and share this recipe with your friends. Happy cooking everyone!